great opportunity for us to all get together as an industry.
It's been long overdue to have the trade show again.
And it's absolutely critical for us as an industry to grow, to be able to bring industry together.
If you're interested in manufacturing, definitely come up and have a look. There's some really interesting machinery around the place.
It's brilliant. It's a lot of interesting stuff, new technologies.
We're looking at a lot more automation in the company.
Just looking at new technology and what machinery's out there and new innovations.
It's been great to be able to compare competitors and see what each company has to offer.
Lots of money to spend for my boss when we get back.
We feel this is the best place to see as many people as possible in as short a space of time as possible.
So seeing them in person rather than online is absolutely a big draw.
If you don't come and catch up, then you don't really keep in touch.
Plenty to see, plenty to do.
Yeah, I never miss it.
You've got to be here. This is where it's all happening. Come along, have a look.
Anything with the engineering industry, you've got to be at EMEX.